Proctor was. So you are supposed to note down the points while answering this question. What are the points? The activities done by the crafter to the peddler allowed him to stay. He provided him with food. He also entertained him by playing Mazzoli, a kind of card, with him. He also smoked pipe with him, tobacco with him. So these are the characteristics: entertaining, allowing shelter, providing food, taking care. These are the things. So point wise, if you write those points, your answer will be substantial. Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second, how did the iron master react on seeing the stranger lying close to his furnace? First of all, try to understand the situation. What is the situation, children? What is the situation? Which scene is being referred to? Do you remember the scene? Do you remember the plot? Hello. Once again, see the question. How did the iron master react on seeing the stranger lying close to his furnace? If you don't interact, the class will be all dull and dry. After the thorough discussion on the chapter, the theme, we are discussing the question, and it is expected from the students to participate in the discussion. So I ask you, which situation? First of all, tell me the situation. And if you locate the situation, it will become very easy for you to answer the question. Yes? Hello? Which situation in the story?
When
Anybody?
peddler lost in the jungle and rest at Iron Master's factory.
Yes. So, following the sound, thumping sound, he ultimately went to the iron mill and he was lying near the furnace to comfort himself. He might be shivering from cold, so he was getting comfort out of the heat coming from the furnace. He was lying there. This is the situation. Means the peddler is lying near the furnace in the iron mill. Okay? And just then, the entry of the iron master was made. Just then, he was lying there. Tabhi, the iron master came there. Okay? Is the situation clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, when the iron master Hello? Hello? Hello?
Sir, your video turned off.
Hello?
Sir, your video turned off.
अरे बोलिए क्या है?
सर, आपका वीडियो बंद हो गया.
Yes. Sorry, a call was there to disturb. Children, still I am audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Children, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है तुम लोगों की. Yes. So I'm asking you, when the iron master entered the iron mill where and saw the peddler lying there, what was his reaction? Yes,
He thought that peddler was
what
his
was
old
his
friend
reaction?
captain.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है बच्चे. Yes, what was reaction? Hello. Can anybody tell me what was his reaction?
He thought that peddler was his friend.
Actually, the face of that peddler closely resembled one of oh sorry, unwanted calls disturb us. So I was talking that the iron master had realized that the peddler's face had a close resemblance with one of his regimental friends. Means before starting the iron mill, he was serving in the army. He was a captain, and he had a friend there, was also a captain. So he could remember that the face of that his regimental friend, captain, had a close resemblance, and he mistook the peddler to be his friend. Children, are you getting to? Are you able to get my point? What I want to suggest? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So he could feel that perhaps my friend is passing through the bad phase of life. Maybe he could anticipate, he could imagine that he is lying there in the tattered clothes like a beggar. Probably his time is not good. He's passing through the bad phase of life. Maybe that's why he's in this condition and he has come to my factory. So due to or owing to that close resemblance, a very close analogical similarity, he thought that, oh, he's my friend, and to see him, his heart filled with pity. So how did he react? He decided to take him to his house. He decided to take him to his house. Okay? And to celebrate Christmas with him, because the Christmas was quite near. Tomorrow was the eve of Christmas and day after tomorrow was Christmas. Is it clear? Respond
Yes,
करो
sir.
ठीक से, हाँ ना तो बोलो भाई.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so he decided to take him to his house. That was his reaction. So what is the answer? How did the iron master react on seeing the stranger lying close to his furnace? So he reacted in the way as he could develop pity for his friend to see him in that condition, because he mistook him to be his friend. He mistook him. गलत समझ लेना. Why did he mistake him? Because the face of the peddler resembled one of his friends, was also a captain, and he decided to take him to his house. That was his reaction. Clear? Next, all such questions, we just prepare it. I shall send such question in your Sunday test to see how nicely you have answered. Next question, third, and then second and third. Can you read out the question if you have written? Can you read out?
Why was the peddler why was the peddler hesitant to go to the iron master's house?
Very nice. Why was the peddler hesitant when the iron master decided and took decision that he would take this man to his house, because he was thinking that he was his friend? So he requested him to go to his house, but the peddler was hesitant. Hesitant, you know, सकुचा रहा था, हिचकिचा रहा था, नहीं जाना चाहता था. Hesitant. He was requested by his friend to go to his house, but he was not ready to go. Why? Hesitant. Why was he hesitant? Can anybody tell me?
He feared that he would be caught.
He feared that?
He would be caught.
Yes, fear was. What was the reason of his fear? Your answer is quite correct. But can you tell me what was the reason of his fear? Why was he afraid of? Of course, he was
Because
afraid of.
he had done
being
a robbery.
caught. Yes?
He had done a robbery.
Yes, because he was having 30 kroner with him, which he had stolen from the crofter. Isn't it? So he was afraid. Why was he hesitant? Because he was afraid of that if he could go there, he will be caught. The secret will be brought to light. रहस्य खुल जाएगा. I'll be recognized as a thief and I'll be caught. That's why he was hesitant. The reason of his hesitation, of course, nice. But I expect rest of the students too to respond. One student is, may I know the name of the boy who was responding?
Sir, Rhythm.
Hello. Rhythm, very nice. So all the students should participate. That's why it should seem that the class is quite lively. Understand? Close interaction, very exhaustive interaction I need. So I want to reach every student should respond. So hesitant. So he was hesitant to go to his house, to the iron master's house, as he was afraid of being caught, because he was having 30 kroner stolen from the crofter. Clear? Okay. Next question. What made the peddler accept Edla's invitation? How did he feel? So when the peddler was not agreed to go to the iron master's house, Even after requesting him, given invitation to him, he didn't budge. The iron master tried his best to persuade the peddler to go to his house, but he refused. But what did the iron master do next? He could not see his friend in trouble. But he regarded him as his friend. So he could not see him in trouble. That's why he went home and requested his daughter. Name of the daughter was
Edla will mention.
Edla will mention. So he requested his daughter, okay, you try your best. So my friend is my friend, and he's passing through the bad phase of life. He is in such a condition, pitiable condition. It would be a great idea to invite him to our house, and to celebrate Christmas. So you try your best. The iron master requested Edla. So Edla did the same thing as his father did. But this time the peddler didn't refuse his request. Didn't. Why? What made the peddler? This is the question. What made the peddler accept Edla's invitation? What made to?
Edla's friendly and caring nature persuaded the peddler to accept the invitation.
Polite and gentle, the way of persuasion. The way Edla requested in a very gentle, humane, and very polite manner. She beseeched. Are you aware of the word beseech, children? B-E-S-E-E-C-H, beseech.
Yes, sir.
This word I had given you while drafting the formal.
Invitation.
Yes, very nice. You remember. Beseech, to request very politely. This is the meaning. To request politely. To request very politely. This is the meaning of beseech. So she beseeched, the way of persuasion. Children, two things are very important. What to say and how to say. The expression is an art. Andaze bayan. The same thing is spoken by two persons and things are different. I can give you one example. After the demise of somebody said he died, and somebody said he passed away, or he is no more. This word he died can be jarring to ear. Karn katu, sunne mein kadwa hai na? He died. Though it has
Yes,
the same
sir.
meaning. But इसी बात को कितने तरीके से कह सकते हैं? He died को, he is no more, he lost his sense forever, he passed away, he left for the heavenly abode. These are the ways. But do you think the difference? The intensity of, the degree of bitterness is greater in he died. And there is softness, he left for the heavenly abode. Do you feel the difference? So this is the way. What to say and how to say. How to say is very important. The same thing is spoken in a different tone, using different words, though they have the same feeling, but the way of expression makes all the difference. Understand? The same request made by the father, the iron master, and the same request made by his daughter, Edla will mention, made all the difference. The father was unable to persuade him to go to his house. Rather, Edla was successful in doing so. Understand? So her way of persuasion, her polite and gentle ways compelled the peddler to go to his house. Is it clear? So the question is, what made the peddler accept Edla's invitation? So he might have felt quite pleasing, soothing, and he accepted it. What made him feel? Might have felt very nice, very, very comfortable. Oh, the girl is so polite, so humane, so persuasive, so I must go. And this idea, the ways of Edla might have given him a kind of comfort. So he didn't deny, didn't refuse, and ultimately he was ready to. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Should I proceed? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Last question. What was Iron Master's reaction after realizing that the peddler was not his regimental acquaintances? Acquaintance, parichay. Once again, look at the question. What was Iron Master's reaction after realizing that the peddler was not his regimental acquaintances? Yes. Boliye.
Iron Master felt cheated and realized his mistake.
When he realized, first of all, when did he realize?
When he found the truth that the peddler was not his old friend comrade.
Can you tell me the situation? Why do I focus on this situation? Because the answer is hidden there. If you understand the situation, you can understand the question. When did he realize? He didn't realize in the iron mill. He realized when he came out of the bathroom after proper grooming. Hello?
Yes, sir.
I think I'm clear. He realized when he saw him after proper grooming. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So after proper dressing of his hair, changing the dress, he came in his real self. Now he was not in the beggar's get-up. He was in a proper get-up. And now he could realize that he had made a mistake. Mistook him. He was not his comrade friend. He was not his captain friend. Then how did he act? He realized that he is not my friend. Tell me the way he reacted. How did he react? Yes? Hello?
Yes,
How
sir.
did he react? Hello? How did he react?
Sir, can you please repeat?
Yes? Once again?
Sir, can you please repeat?
When the iron master realized that he is not my friend, after proper grooming, the peddler came to his real self, and the iron master realized that he is not my friend. So after he realized that the peddler was not his friend, so friend समझ रहा था उसका दोस्त नहीं है, then how did he react?
He warned the peddler to left his house.
To leave his house. To leave his house. Not to left, to leave. Yes. So immediately he did. You're right. Immediately he decided to leave his house. He wanted to drive him away of his house. But he didn't want to have any stranger which he didn't know inside his house. Okay. So it was his reaction. But though the question is not there, I can ask the suggestive question attached to the same question. Edla intervened. When the iron master decided to drive him away of his house, his daughter Edla just intervened. Intervened, बीच में कूद पड़ना. What did she say? What did she say? Yes, children. Father was ready to drive him away of the house, but Edla intervened. What did she say? Oh, how nicely I covered all the points. Edla ने क्या कहा अपने father को? Did she support the father to drive him away?
No, sir.
Then what did she say? She prevented her father from doing so, saying that we should not drive away